Everyone, I'm back with a new video. I'm YADAV. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the hardest question which have appeared in digital SAT. So without any delay, let's go through the question. So first we will analyze this question in our own language, okay? So what it is saying here is for the linear function k a equals to minus 24 where a equals to constant, okay, and this k4 equals to 30. Okay, so I don't need to teach you the basic concept of this. This a means x and this minus 24 means y. Okay, so you need to know this basic concept of this function. Okay, and the slope of the graph y equals to kx in the xy plane is 7. So this linear function slope is given here, which is 7. And the next what it is saying is for the linear function p. So now we'll talk about p a equals to 26 and p6 equals to 38. What is the slope of the graph of y equals to px in the xy plane? So what we understand from here is that first we need to take out the value of this a. How will take out? I will show you in the Desmos. And then after that, take outing the value of a, we will directly put this value of a here, and then we'll take out the slope of this function p. Okay, so let's solve function k first. Okay, so okay, let's make table here. First we'll make table. Okay, and then as you can see that the point it is given 4, 30, and we'll write directly at 4, 30. And this a comma minus 24 we cannot write here. We can write, but we need to define the value of a, so we cannot put any of the value by ourselves. We need to take out the value of a, what the question is saying. So how we'll take out? We'll do this, like first we'll do y1, and then the slope is already given, which is 7 x1 plus we'll write c. So as you can see that we got the value of c as 2, so we'll write here 2, and this x1 here we'll write as a, because as you can see that in the place of x a is given, and in the place of y it is given minus 24, so we'll write here minus 24. And as you can see that we got the value of a, which is minus 26 by 7. So what we'll do here is we'll do directly here. Okay, we'll write here minus 26 minus 26 by 7 comma 26. Now we are taking the function of p. Okay, so we'll write here again 6 comma 38, because we got the value of a 6 comma 38. Now we can directly take out the slope of this function p. So we'll erase this and we'll take out the new function for the p. We'll write y1 mx1 plus c. As you can see that we got the value of slope of function p, which is m. So as you can see that you can also write 1.235 in the exam, but what I recommend is always try to put this answer in your exam in proportion. Okay, so you can write 21 by 17 in your exam. Okay, so I hope that you got the thing what it is said in the question, and hope you understood. If you have any doubt related to this question, please comment down below. Thank you.